সম্প্রতি কলকাতায় 2013-14 অর্থবর্ষের ফিনান্সিয়াল রেজাল্ট প্রকাশ করল স্টেট ব্যাঙ্ক অফ ইন্ডিয়া। ব্যাংকের নেট প্রফিট যেখানে কমে দাঁড়িয়েছে 14,174 কোটি টাকায়, সেখানে গত শেষ কোয়ার্টারে ব্যাংকের অপারেটিং প্রফিট বেড়ে দাঁড়িয়েছে 36.95%। অন্যদিকে স্টেট ব্যাঙ্ক অফ ইন্ডিয়া এবার লক্ষ্য নিচ্ছে বিভিন্ন আনব্যাঙ্কড গ্রামগুলোতে নিজেদের পরিষেবা পৌঁছে দেওয়ার। সেই লক্ষ্যেই গত অর্থবর্ষে তারা 52,206টি গ্রামে নিজেদের পরিষেবা পৌঁছে দিতে পেরেছে।
Operating profit and net profit obviously are the provisions and the income tax provisions. So there are a large number of provisions. Of course, one of the biggest provisions that we've had to make is on account of our loans, that is the stress loans. So we have made pretty large provisions on the stress loans. We have also had larger income tax provisions as compared to the same quarter last year. So those also have eaten into our operating profit. The other reason is that this time, whatever special reserve we had made on account of infrastructure financing, RBI has mandated that we should also have a DTL for that. So on account of that, another 1,500 crores provision we've had to make. So all of these provisions actually have eaten into our operating profit, though our operating profit is one of the best. Not one of the best, it is the best in the history of the bank. But we have not been able to show that kind of net profit, mainly because of the type of provisions we have. The decline, no, net profit has declined by 7% YoY for the quarter, for FY.
Financial year FY14 has been under very trying and challenging circumstances. As we know, there have been adverse macroeconomic factors. In spite of that, what we have done is we have taken a number of initiatives, number of strategies to improve our performance, improve asset quality, control cost, improve other income, and many of these are visible in our Q4 results. So our net interest income has gone up, our other income has recorded a very high growth, our costs have come down, and resultantly our operating profit is the highest ever. However, because of higher provisions given the stress in the economy and the stress assets, our net profit has been somewhat lower than last year. Going forward, while we are keeping a cautious approach, because while we do see that economy will turn around, it's a matter of question when, but it will be a good 1 or 2 quarters before banks feel the beneficial impact.
Present asset situations.
The asset situation is coming under control, I would say, because as for quarter 4, our gross NPL level is 4.95%. It has come down by 78 basis points, and we do view the future with optimism. But what I would say is that continuous efforts are required to maintain and improve the quality of it.
What
Our loans last year have grown by about 15%. What we are targeting is in the current year also growth of similar order.
you are targeting SME sector and other?
SME we will grow, but we will grow selectively. We will be very conscious of the quality, because SME is one sector that has been under considerable stress. So while we would definitely like to promote viable and good units, but we will be selective in this sector, and as also in MCG sector. So far as branch expansion is concerned, we have been adding something like 800 to 1,000 branches. Like in FY14, we added 1,053 branches. We would expect that in FY15 it may be similar number. ATMs we have grown very aggressively in FY14. That is because that growth comes after a long hiatus. For many years we were not able to grow, so therefore we have grown by 14,000 ATMs. This year we may have different kind of ATMs, maybe cash recyclers, maybe some kind of more of cash deposit machines, and many of these will be on brown label, that is outsource model. As regards financial rural branches, unbanked villages, we have always gone by the government targets that has been given, and we have always met. So far it stands at 52,000 unbanked villages we have covered, and going forward whatever is